Hello everybody, this is Daniel from China Gadgets Reviews. In this video we'll have a sound test on Earson Mammoth ER-160 Bluetooth speaker, this one. So this is an incredible Bluetooth speaker for outdoor activities, for dynamic and active people. To listen to your favorite music you have three options here. The first one is via Bluetooth, the second one from your micro SD card. You have to make it FAT32 partition, and the third option is via audio in line. Okay, so let's try it. First one, you have to open your device Bluetooth to pair with the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, this is my old Nexus 4. So now we are connected.
蓝牙连接成功。
We have the confirmation in Chinese. Next, you have to play your favorite music. Okay, as you can hear, the sound is amazing, the bass is incredible. So this is the first choice. Okay, the second one is to play music from your micro SD card. Let's do it.
蓝牙已断开。
So just press the M button and change the mode.
TF 卡模式。
Okay.
Dreams are like angels, they keep at bay. Love is the light scaring darkness away. I'm so in love with you.
Okay, just play the pause button. And the third option is to listen your favorite music via audio in line, audio in cable. Okay, so to do that,
外接音源模式。
plug your audio cable in, open your music on your device. Okay, that's it. Thank you for
7F
watching.
卡模式，
Thank you for watching.
Make love your
Okay, sorry. Thank you for
蓝牙模
watching.
式，
Okay, that's it. See you soon. Bye.